When the clock strikes 6:30, babe, time to head for golden light. It's a good time for a great taste dinner at McDonald's. It's Mac tonight. Come on, make it Mac tonight.
The following is an urgent broadcast from the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. This is an official child abduction emergency. An Amber Alert has been issued by local authorities in relation to a missing 4-year-old child. The individual was last seen at approximately 4:15 p.m. at family residence on Thursday, October 13, 1994. The child is described as 4 years of age, approximately 3 feet tall, wearing a bright green winter cap. The child is believed to be in imminent danger. If you have any information regarding the whereabouts of, or if you observed any suspicious activity or unknown vehicles near the residential area this afternoon, please contact the local authorities or dial 911 immediately. Do not attempt to investigate alone. Repeat. Do not attempt to investigate alone.
The carnival is back in town!
Stop, Patrick! Don't touch it! This isn't the carnival, Patrick. Those are hooks. Mr. Krabs says they're really dangerous.
I sense no danger here.
Help, Patrick! Help! Oh, Patrick, help! Oh, Patrick, come back! Oh, my best friend! Oh! Patrick, you're alive!
Am I ever?
Nickelodeon Fruit Snack!
Civil authorities have issued an immediate global extinction warning. This is not a test. This is an active worldwide defensive emergency. At 11:23 p.m., a hostile entity, designated as a Class 5 demigod, breached the primer mainframe layer. The source has been traced back to the digital residue of a missing 1994 juvenile, now manifesting at simulated age of 15. Catastrophic environmental failures are occurring global. Total global structural collapse is imminent. Massive, anomalous subterranean shifts have triggered magnitude 9.0 earthquakes across all major tectonic lines. Uncontained thermal eruptions have compromised major population centers. Firestorms are currently consuming metropolitan areas. Total estimated worldwide fatalities have surpassed million within the last 40 minutes. The entity is manipulating localized reality and digital communications. Do not look at electronic displays. Do not look outside your windows. The atmospheric air is no longer safe. The entity has compromised the local water tables. There are no rescue operations. There are no shelters. If you see a bright green glow or a monochrome horizon, your sector has already been deleted. May God have mercy on your soul.